Excellent. I hope that's good enough.
Excellent nosh. Hello, I'm Ollie.
I'm Nat. Hey.
And we'd like to present you with a solution for a problem. You've just dropped 200,000 big ones on your new V8 Range Rover. You spec'd that engine, but you can't hear it from factory.
And this is where we come in. Welcome to our newest development for the Range Rover 530. You bought it for the engine, you want to hear it. Let's try it. I think you'll agree that's a pretty good sound. Now, however, imagine you need to take your kids to school. Well, we've got a trick for you. I know YouTube fans love flybys, so go on, we're going to try this one. Get a load of that.